First of all, you need to search Pictory AI in your web browser. You will see a page like this. After the page opens, switch your browser to desktop view, because Pictory is now only available for desktop. After opening, click on the 3 lines and sign up. I have already signed up, so I will log in directly. After logging in, you will see an interface like this. You need to select the script to video option, since we are going to create a video from script. For the script generation, you can use ChatGPT. Let me paste a random script here. Then keep this option on to add automatic captions to your videos. After that, choose a frame from the available templates. I've chosen the 9:16 frame for shorts, but you can also use it for longer videos. Then your video will be ready in just a few seconds. If you want to make any changes to the script, you can do that here, and those changes will automatically appear in the video. If you want to change any visuals, you can do that from here, and when everything looks good, click on the download option, and your video will be downloaded in